Hello, you can see I've made good progress on my Christmas stocking. I have completed the foot, and all I have left to knit are the heel and the toe. Sometimes I'll continue on with the toe and finish that first, but I do like to stop here and insert the heel because then I can have access from the bottom and the top if I need to. Sometimes it's just convenient to be able to reach in when you're trying to pick up these stitches. So I'm going to show you how I pick up all these stitches and start knitting the heel. And you're going to need a set of 5 double-pointed needles that match the same size as your circular needles that you've been using. Mine are size 6. That's what I've been using to knit my stocking. So I'm going to use these to pick up these stitches. Start by flipping the stocking with the top towards me, and I'll pick up this bottom side of the stitches. And the way you do that, as you can see, there's kind of this little hole right here. And I'm going to pick up the right leg of each of the green V's that are below the red yarn. So you can see I've got the first one there, and I skip the left half of the V and get the next one. I'm going to be picking up 18, and that's how many are on each side of the heel. So I've got 5. That's 10. 15. 15. I spread those out. And I'm going to do that for each 4 times. I'll do this bottom part, and then I'll turn it and do 18 here, and then 18 on the opposite side here. And that will be all the stitches, and then I'll be ready to take out the red yarn. So again, I'm picking up 18 stitches here. Okay, I've got all the stitches on my needles, and now it's time to remove the red yarn. So I use my 5th needle to just pick it up and pull it out. If the tail starts to get a little bit too long, I just cut it with my scissors. It makes it easier to continue pulling it out without having to pull the entire tail out. Okay, now you can see I've got a giant hole, which is good. Now I'm just about ready to begin knitting the heel, and I'll just follow my heel pattern. I do like to use a needle to thread these ends, just weave them in a little bit so that they don't come undone as I'm going. It just keeps things a little tighter and looks nicer, just so I don't get any gaps. So I will get that set up, thread those with the needle, and just weave them in the back, and then I'll be ready to knit it.